Hey, I just want to do a little quick review on this hair I just bought. This is going to go wet and wavy. It's called the natural, sorry, it's called, hey, this is a quick review of my Naked Natural Brazilian Virgin Hair, Remy. It's 100% human hair. It's going to be a wet and wavy look. And it's actually going to be the natural wave. It comes straight already, and it comes in 3 different bundles. One's 22 inch, 18 and 20, and it does have a closure. So I'm gonna install it and get right back to you. Actually, the back of the box like this. Just get a lady looking pretty like that. Her hair done with a soft wave. And I'm gonna get back with you to let you know how it is. Okay. So it has a lace front. It's 20 inches long. It's about 3 inches wide, and it has a soft part. So I'm gonna actually make the part a little deeper before I install it. And it's pretty long. It's 20 inches. Okay, I'm feeling it. This is a straight. I didn't wet it yet because I want to wear it straight for a couple of days. So I'm gonna come back, and it's pretty long. It's a 22, 20, and I think 22, 20, 20. The closure is okay. I'm gonna have to work with it. I didn't finish doing my baby hair yet, but it came out pretty cool. This is the wet and wavy, so it's gonna be the loose waves. When I wet it, it should look. I have a little strategy for it. I'm feeling it straight now, so I'm gonna rock it straight for a couple of days. I'll do my makeup. I'm gonna show how it look with it straight down with my makeup and fixing it. I like it. Not bad. It feels good. It feels nice and soft. They don't shed a lot either, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I'm feeling this. I'll buy this again. I would definitely buy it again. And I'm the type of girl I like to do straight in the wet and wavy style. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm feeling it. I ain't even got my makeup on yet, but wait till that happens. We'll see how it looks a little later. I'll be back. Give me a couple hours. What I'm working with is concealer, 2 different types of concealer. I have a highlighter and the one that's my skin tone. You know, I'm working a dark one in. And I'm going to take this and just work the light one in. Rub it in a little bit. Yes, nice and clear. Yes, nice and clear. So I love drawing my eyebrows in. And I got this eyebrow. It's one and only. It has the brush on one side and the liner on. I got it from Beadworks. It was drawn in. I'm already messing up. Mess up. Hey. I don't know. I love the look of a draw-in brow. I know it's not really the little trends now, but just something I like to do. And I'm gonna put some concealer to make it look pop out. I wait till I touch it up with the brush pot to look more natural. So I'm gonna fix it. I'm going to fix it. So I'm gonna do is take the lighter concealer and I'm outline it on top and on the bottom. A little bit too much right there. Keep messing up, keep messing up. So I'm gonna take my sponge if I can find it and just gonna pat it so it can look highlighted. Pat the top first. And then the bottom. Like it'll be free to put it on your eyebrow. Make it even. Pat the bottom. Just highlighting the brows. So I'm gonna put my this magnet lashes on. And it has a magnet eyeliner. So that's my next move. I can't do it. And it can't be done. Oh, my lord. I keep messing up today. I like to put 2 to 3 coats to make sure the lashes stick. Me, I like the cat girl look. Don't worry about this model because I'm gonna get it back with the concealer. It's wet, so I always like to fan it so it could dry quick. Cat girl look. So I'm gonna do another coat on this side. I don't like over makeup my face. I'm more like concealer, even it out, tone it, and after that I'm gonna put powder. And I like liner and my lipstick. Plain and simple. I don't go all extra. Sometimes I do. If I have like a big occasion to do, then I go all extra. But this time, no. Make sure I get from the top because I'm gonna make sure to latch on from here all the way to the end. I have 2 lashes. I have a dramatic one, and this one's not dramatic, so I'm just gonna use a non-dramatic way because I'm waiting for the holiday to do the dramatic, you know. But, make sure you subscribe to my page. This is one of my first hair and makeup review and tutorial at the same time, and it's kind of cool. I'm just trying to start this new YouTube thing, even though I'm all over YouTube with my music videos, but just trying something new. So while I'm letting it dry, I'm gonna install my matte lipstick. Believe it or not, it says Velvet Lip Mousse. Believe it or not, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I'm guilty. $4. I was like, I like the color, so I was like, let me grab it. And I ain't gonna lie, this is one of my favorite colors. A little burgundy-ish, like a burgundish purplish type reddish color, and I like the color. So what I do is I'm gonna line it around. We're talking about that. And this actually lasts all day long. Unless you eat something like greasy food or something, then it kind of rubs off. But it's matted and it lasts all day. I like the matted look sometimes, and if I want to go extra, I put a gloss on top. But this lipstick is, I don't know, for $1. I'm feeling it. And I'm gonna go back and get like 5 more, so I would never run out of it. This is a nice matte lipstick. See? I love the way it goes from my skin, and it just makes me feel sexy. I pluck her up. Normally I use the lip liner, but I just put the lipstick on this time. I'm not trying to go over dramatic. I'm just putting it on, highlighting the hair, you know. I'm still feeling the hair. It's cool, it's straight. I didn't even flat iron it yet. I'm leaving it. I don't want it to get, the curls to get messed up when I do wet it. So I'm just going to leave it because I just like to look at it right now. But it's cool. Get back there. I'm going to work with my baby hair too. Yeah, so I'm going to put, I kind of used them before. So the thing about magnet lashes, they're reusable. So what I'm going to do is try to magnetize them to my eyes with the liner. So what I do is I just put it close to the liner, and I don't know why that one. I don't have my little clip thingy. Oh, there we go. It's sticking. So yeah, I'm gonna just make sure that it's lashed on. And they say on until you actually pull them off. I love this invention. It's like one of the best because using the glue was so annoying. And the other one too, because I'm the type of always messing up my eyeliner if I sleep for the individuals. So yeah, this is a good finish. I can take it off when I want to go to bed. It's like, look, it's up a little. It's sticking to wherever the liner is. And I don't know. There we go. It's done. Yeah, there we go. And then the second one. I don't know why, but I always feel one look better than the other. I always feel like that. I don't like the way it latch on. Take it off and pop it back on. For some reason, I feel like this is a thicker lash. This one has more lashes on. I don't know why. They're from the same package, but I don't know why. This one feels... There we go. Magnet lashes. I go like that. You see it? It's just... And if I pull it, unless I pull it real hard, it'll come off. But it actually stays. It's magnetized to the liner. An awesome invention. I mean, if you want to pop it out, you could probably put a little extra mascara. But I do have the dramatic ones, and I'm wearing it in a couple days. But right now, I'm just highlighting my makeup. To go out to the store real quick. One more thing, I'm going to do my powder. Alright, so I got my powder finish I'm going to do. It's Fit Me. Very affordable. You can find it at Walmart, CVS, Essential Store. Very easy to find. I'm using the colors Toffee Caramel. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pat some powder on my face for a finished look. I am selfie ready. If I want to take selfies, I'm outdoor ready. This is not I mean, you could take the sponge that come with it and do it. I like to brush it with a brush to make it look like an airbrush look. And there it is. It's my normal day makeup and my sewing, which I'm feeling. Okay, and I think I'm gonna just do the baby hairs. Alright, that's that. Makeup's done. Comb it out. Run to the south. Make it a quick errand run. That's it. I mean, I'm not going out like that. This is, I love it. I like the look. I like it straight. And I'm going to come back and do like a mini quick video in a couple of days when I curl it and my makeup for that day. And this weekend actually is the Memorial Day weekend. So, yeah, so I'm going to be in the pool, I think. So, I'm definitely going to wet it. It's going to be wet, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look wet. How my baby hair is going to look, how it's going to be if it jingles out. But I think it looks nice. This is a false sew-in. I actually did the whole pack. Except just like a little bit left. That's much. This is basically, it was 7 pieces. There's 2 sizes, basically a bundle, which is, to me, it's just like 3 bundles, just cut in half. Two, each bundle cut in half. And yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm pretty satisfied. We'll see in 3 weeks how it'll look. But I did do a sewing. I didn't have that dowel. I mean, the dowel I had to do the wig. The next time I'm gonna try it with the wig and see how it'll look that way. This time it's just a sewing. It's summertime, so I think his hair is gonna be nice. It's gonna be versatile. If I want to have it straight, I'll flat iron. If I want to, it's probably most likely gonna be curled. I'm just gonna rock it out straight as long as I can, maybe 2 days, until I get to the curly stage. But please subscribe to my page, comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you, I could do better with the sewing or with my makeup. I appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out with me.